Hey guys, Bunny's Gaming here, and this is my first ever video that I will be recording and posting on my channel. Today we are playing Moviestarplanet because why not? And I have nothing better to do, so yeah. Let me just type in my password. Don't ask why it's so long. But I'm just coming on here and I'm just gonna do stuff, I guess. Yes, I have a boy account because I like having a boy account because I don't know. Here, let's just put my YouTube real fast because why not? I can't spell recording apparently. There we go. So, let's just put on a dance move because why not, right? Yeah, no, I'm cringy, sorry. There we go. So, these are my friends. Oh my god, it's Kitty! Anyways, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna buy myself some new outfits because I'm bored and I'm gonna buy myself a Halloween costume on here because I have money. Let me just say something. Oh my god. Jeez, sorry. My microphone's like right in front of me, so you know, can't really see stuff. Shout out to Kitty Girl 12347. She's my best friend, so you know. Anyways, let's buy my Halloween costume, shall we? Because I have nothing better to do. Yes. I be slaying the game. I'm Ava, and you all will love me. Oh my god. God damn it. I don't want to do that. Whoops. Anyways, that's it. Let's just do this again because all my friends are logging in, so. I love it. Thanks. Thanks, do my first ever video. Anyways, let's continue, unless I get messaged again. Yeah, let's just, thanks. I have 3 diamonds. I gave a lot of gifts. I gave a lot of gifts to my, friend Starry, if you know her. Let's just search her up real quick. This one. Starry. I'm pretty sure you know her. Because yeah. See? Yeah. Anyways, that's my friend. So let's get back to this. I don't know what kind of outfit we should do. If we should do some... Yes. Oh my god, wait, what? I'd be slaying the game. Okay, let's just remove all my clothes. Oh yes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, now... Unless we go to top, because that's where I find all my, like, clothes, I guess. Well, my, like, hair, because some of the hair for the guys, they kinda suck. Sorry. Anyways, they kinda suck, I guess, because I feel like they don't really work. They don't really give much effort into the boys' outfits sometimes. That's just my opinion. You guys can have other opinions other than I do have my own I can and always will have my own opinion. It's just, that's my opinion at the moment. Maybe it will change, you know? Sometimes it will change. Maybe it will not. Depends, really. No. What else? No. No. I'm sorry, I'm a really awkward human being when it comes to this. Thanks. Oh my god. Oh jeez, I can't spell. Sorry. I'm nice. Anyways, what I was planning on to do is to see if anyone has a wish list. You know? Let's see. Let's just go into the chat room and see if anyone has a wish list that I could buy, because I'm bored. Also, sorry if I can't spell, because, yeah. Well, I'm gonna pause it and see if anyone has anything on their wish list. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I found someone that I don't know, and I found their wish list. So I'm gonna buy everything on it, and let's just do this. I'm gonna friend request her afterwards, though. So, yeah. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I'm nice enough. And plus I have star coins that I could spend. So, yeah. I'm gonna friend request her after this. Because, oh boy. See, this is the problem of having, like, a guy account. Like, people want to, like, friend request you all the time, and it's kind of triggering. And I can't really accept all of them sometimes. Where'd she go? Oh god, I think I lost her. Oh wow, okay. Oh, no, here she is. Here we go. No. The only reason I have a girl account too, but the only reason why I'm on this one is because I have more friends, I guess. But this is my other account that I'll start recording on. Oh god. This is my account that I'll start recording on soon enough. So okay, I'm sorry about that. My friend's brother just walked in on me, and I freaked out. Anyways, we'll be going on my girl account. Let's see what's going on there, because I don't know what to do when I'm recording videos. You know what? Screw it. Also, meanwhile, playing this just gives me anxiety. Oh, I freaked out so bad I, like, jumped out of my seat. Okay. Anyways, oh, I got 2 messages. Yeah. I think that's all. Because I have nothing else to do. Sure, why not? Because I have nothing else to do. I already bought someone's wish list. Wonder if Story has anything on her wish list. Something just dropped. It's fine, really. Shh. Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Okay. Let's see. Does she have anything on her wish list? Please have something on your wish list. Thank you. Jeez. I'd give her, like, a lot of greets, but I don't have any money. Well, I have money, but I don't have diamonds, is what I'm trying to say. Anyways. Sorry if this was a really bad recording. Like I said, this is my first time ever recording a video ever since I got that channel. But, I don't know. Sorry, I'm just like I'm just an awkward person. And Starry's gonna watch this later, so I'm gonna die. Anyways, I hope you guys liked it, I guess. I'll see you guys in the next video I make. Well, whenever I get the chance to make. Yeah. Bye!